Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. My today's class is for the students of class 11 and today's topic is email writing. I am going to discuss on email writing. Very beginning I want to give you some basic information about email writing. If we illustrate the word email means electronic, E means electronic, mail means letter. Electronic mail, that means a letter that is sent using a computer. You know, in the primitive days, people send their letter using post office, through post office or any other media. But in the present time, with the development of technology, it is very easier to us to send a letter to our friends, to our relatives, from one office to another office, etc. So everything is possible with the development of technology, and everything is possible just a click of a mouse. Today we learn how we can write an email very effectively. Now I am going to write down an email. If we want to write down an email, we must have a computer, personal computer, laptop, on. In the present time we can use email on a smartphone. If we have any smartphone, we can write down email. So let's see how can we write down an email. From very beginning we have to write down from here we can write down an email ID, email address of whom he or she wants to write down an email, that is sender. This is the email ID of the sender. Suppose if I want to write down an email to my friend, I have to write down my email ID. Suppose arifuzzaman@gmail.com. This is my email ID. That means I am sender here. Then to means the person I want to send my email. Receiver. Suppose Zaman @gmail.com. This is the email ID of the receiver and this is the email ID of the sender. Then send here we have to write down the date, time and the day. Suppose today 4 November 2020, Monday, time 10:30 AM. This is the time. So students, again from here, this is the email ID of the sender to this is the email ID of the receiver, and send, that means date, day and time. Now we have to write down the subject. Subject means what about the email. If I want to give an information to my friend about my birthday party, if I want to invite him, I can use here an email. I can write down an email to invite him. So suppose I am going to write an email. I am going to write an email on birthday party. That means I am going to celebrate my birthday, and I want to invite one of my friends, and I want to give information, this news to any one of my friends using email. Then I have to write down subject invitation to my birthday party. Invitation to my birthday party. This is the subject of my email. Then I have to salute. That is called salutation. Dear Jamal. That means Jamal is the friend. I want to invite him. You know, actually email is more or less informal. This is also called informal letter. Very begin in different way I can write down an email. If we consider a letter, very beginning of the letter we use at first take my cordial love, at first take my love, etc. In case of email, we also use that kind of language, but it will be better if the email is shorter than a letter. So I can write down like that. Dear Zaman is my friend. I am writing an email. I am going to celebrate. I am going to celebrate my 15th birthday anniversary on 10th November 2020 at our residence. You are cordially invited. So this is a sentence. You are cordially invited. Then, as the space is not up to the mark, I can say. Don't miss. You must come. You must come and give us pleasure. This is enough. What I want to say to invite him in these sentences, it is very clear to him. Even if we want to write anything else, we can write down. We can also make another para. I hope you are well. I hope your father is well. Or convey my salam to your parents and love to your youngers. We can write down it. So in another para. Convey my salam to your parents and love to your youngers. So we can conclude in that way, and finally we have to write down your reverse that means this is the name, the person who writes the email. That means this is the name of the senders. So dear students, this is about our email writing. If you have any question, you can ask me, you can inbox me. If you face any problem to write any email. Actually, email is informal letter. Here we should not draw any envelope, as we cannot use here post office or any envelope here. This is used only computer, and we cannot send any hard copy. We can send using computer only soft copy. So dear students, stay at home, stay safe, and in my another class I will come with another topic. Thank you very much.